Hi! Today's style is a bubble braid with crisscross braids in between. The style is super cute, so let's get started. To start, you're going to part the hair down the middle and create 3 ponytails on each side. Start with the top left ponytail and split it in half. Then do the same on the right side, but put the left half, just clip it up out of the way. Now we're just going to do a braid with that right piece. Now each half, the pieces that we're braiding are a little bit smaller than the part on the outside, so just remember to make those braids a little bit smaller sections. Braid it until you get to the middle right ponytail. Take the top right ponytail, the outside piece, and then just add both of those with an elastic to that middle right ponytail. Now we're just going to pull on that section of hair just to make it a little more fuller. I think it just adds a little bit to the style. Now we're going to add another braid. So take that piece that we clipped up out of the way and then just spray it down with a little water. It just makes it a little bit easier to braid and a little more clean looking. And you're going to do another braid until you go to that ponytail on the left side in the middle. So grab that braid, grab the top left section, and then do the same thing. Add an elastic and then just pull on that section of hair to make it a little more full. And then we're going to repeat this one more time with this bottom section. So after we pull on this last section of hair, we are all done. This style really only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do. It's super cute and it's a fun way to add a little spice to a normal hairstyle. I hope that you guys enjoy it and that you recreate it on your own. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and we would love it if you would give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe so that you can be notified of all of our upcoming videos. You can also click above if you would like to see some of our past tutorials. We have a lot to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on our next video. Bye!